Avocado Face Mask for Acne. This acne face mask contains avocado and honey. It fights against acne-causing bacteria, provides relief from inflammation, softens hard acne, and protects the skin from free radicals. Face mask recipe. Cut in half a clean avocado, remove the seed, and blend its flesh in a high-speed blender to get a lump-free paste. Transfer the paste into a small bowl, and add in it 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix well, to get an even consistency. How to use it. Apply the mask on a clean face, avoiding the eye and mouth areas, and leave it on for 15 minutes, or until it dries up. After that, rinse off the mask, using warm water, followed by cool water. Pat dry with a soft towel. If your skin feels dry, moisturize it with a pea-sized amount of shea butter. Store the mask in the freezer, not more than 3 days. The benefits of the ingredients. Honey has antibacterial properties that help kill acne-causing bacteria. It is also very hydrating and calming, bringing relief to inflamed skin. Avocado is very nourishing and moisturizing. It contains vitamin E, linoleic acid, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, which protects your skin from the UV damage, and prevents premature wrinkles. Linoleic acid is an omega-6 fatty acid, which keeps the skin hydrated, soothes it, and prevents inflammation. Antioxidants and phytochemicals brighten dull skin, help treat acne, and delay skin aging. Notes. Choose a ripe, or even an overripe avocado for this recipe, because it will be easier to make a paste out of it. Apply the mask, wearing an old t-shirt, to avoid messing up your clothes. To enhance the mask's action, steam your face before applying it. You can also use this mask for the body, before a shower, to get silky skin.